Hey guys, welcome back. SF Angler here. And I spent the past 3 years wasting time and buying junk. Figuring out everything you need and everything you don't to get started fishing. Have you been binge watching fishing YouTube videos? Does your kid play too much Fortnite and you want them to get outside into nature? Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know to get started fishing the saltwater with just $100. So, of course, to be able to fish the saltwater, you will need a fishing rod. I highly recommend the Ugly Stick GX2 Medium Heavy. It's light enough that you can still have fun catching bait, but it's strong enough that you'll be able to catch some pretty decent sized fish. So, another essential thing that you will definitely need for fishing is fishing line. Now, as you can see, I love P-line. So, of course, I'm going to tell you all of the P-line products that you should use. And, by the way, there's a link down there to a video that I did on P-line. You should go watch it after this. But for your Mainline, you should probably use around 20 to 40 pound braided line. I like to use green just so I can see it better. I like braided for my Mainline just because it's a lot easier to cast and you can spool up more of it because it has a thinner diameter than monofilament or nylon lines. And then for your leader, you'll probably want between 20 to 30 pound monofilament. Now, if you don't know what any of that means, just watch that video that I did. It's on P-line specifically, but it will tell you about all you need to know about different types of line. Now, in terms of your lures or bait, there are a few things that you should probably get. Now, these are some great universal tactics that will probably work wherever you are. The best way to fish anywhere is usually live bait, because if you can find out what the fish are eating and put that on your hook, then you can be sure that the fish will want to eat what's on your hook. I recommend getting a sabiki rig. All you need to do is put a weight on the bottom, and pretty much anywhere you should be able to get some fresh live bait. If you want to learn more about the sabiki rig, I have a link right there or right down there for a video that I made on that. Now, in terms of actually rigging up your live bait, you'll need a weight and some hooks. I recommend circle hooks, and I highly recommend getting your hooks from a local tackle shop because that way you can be sure that you get the size you want. I learned my lesson about that when I ordered some swivels online and this showed up in the mail. So go online and find your nearest tackle shops, head on over, and get some circle hooks and some 2-ounce pyramid weights. With these and your line, you'll be able to tie some great rigs to be able to catch some big fish with live bait in your area. Click there or down in the description to find out how you can tie a great live bait rig. Now, if you can't seem to catch any live bait with your sabiki rig, or you want to just try using some lures, there are 3 great lures that can catch saltwater fish almost anywhere. Bucktail jig, spoon, and Swimbait. Now, Swimbait is also a very versatile lure. You can bounce it off the bottom, or you can swim it straight through the water column. It can catch all sorts of different fish. Another great, versatile beginner saltwater fishing lure is the Bucktail jig. You can jig it off the bottom for flatfish like flounder, fluke, or halibut, or you can put a Swimbait as a trailer on the back and swim it through the water column. It gives a slightly bigger presentation than the Swimbait and works great for actively feeding aggressive fish. Now, if your Bucktail and Swimbait still aren't working, then tie on a spoon and give it a try. The spoon is probably one of the most commonly used fishing lures in both freshwater and saltwater, and I think the Kastmaster is the best. Like the name suggests, it casts like a bullet, so you can get away with lighter weights like a quarter or half ounce. They come in all different patterns, colors, shapes, and sizes, but I personally like the original silver Kastmaster. Thanks so much for watching. Again, all of the links to all of the products mentioned in this video are down below, as well as some videos to help you learn more about some of these specific techniques. And stay tuned, because the freshwater version of this video is coming up soon on SF Angler.